Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about putting a Sinister diesel charge pipe kit on a 2016 Powerstroke. I'm going to tell you why I done it. I'm going to tell you the results afterward. So why I done it. Ford put a plastic elbow for the cold side charge pipe. It's been a common problem for many 6.7s and it happened to mine, and I'm probably part of the cause of that. So like many other people who likes to hot dog the trucks, I was out there hot dogging my truck in a light tow tune. I run her up to about 120 miles per hour. Probably not the best idea, but when I done that, it sounded like an airline blew off out there, and I went to whistling Dixie. So I limped her on back home, popped the hood, started feeling around. Sure enough, cold side charge pipe was cracked. So I took her off. I wrapped that baby up with some electrical tape really, really good. I went online, immediately ordered Sinister Diesel's charge pipe kit. I got the cold side and the hot side. I limped the truck around for a week. My parts came in. I installed them. Now, the factory charge pipe is a little restrictive. It's smaller than the Sinister Diesels and many of the other aftermarket charge pipes. So when I got it installed, got her crunk up, test drove down the road, I could tell it was breathing better. Had a little bit more spunk to it, a little bit more throttle response. My truck is tuned, but it is not deleted. I have the DEF, I have the DPF, the EGR, the whole 9 yards. It is a stock 2016 F250. I got 131,000 miles on it right now. It's got a 4-inch lift, 134-inch tires, 12 inches wide. So not really. I pull a camper, I pull a tractor, regular stuff. This is my everyday driver, so I couldn't let her be down too long. So like I said, I got the kit installed. It was an improvement over the stock, and I'm going to throw some pictures in there. You'll see the crack. If you have not done this to yours, it's advisable that you do at least do the cold side. You don't have to do the hot side return, but you should do the cold side charge. That's the one that we have the problems with on the Powerstroke 6.7 liters. I'd advise you to do it. It is an improvement. It's somewhat costly, a little bit time consuming if you haven't done one before, but you can always pay somebody to do it if you're not mechanically inclined. I am a mechanic, not on cars, industrial mechanic. So I have some tools, I have a little bit of know-how, and I will tear some stuff up. And then I'll do what I can to get it back together. All right. Thank you, folks.